Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a PDF portfolio in Adobe Acrobat. So a PDF portfolio lets you combine multiple files such as PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, and images, even the videos into a single interactive container while keeping each file in its original format. So this feature is available in Adobe Acrobat Pro and it's required. Right, so you all need to get a subscription first and follow me. So guys, now you all need to open the Adobe Acrobat Pro, then just select create. So you will find it under the files here, and to visualize it, actually guys, you will need to have the pro version. All right, so once you click on create, you will find an option. It says PDF portfolio, right? So then just click on add files and choose the files or folders you want to include. Then click on open and arrange the files by dragging them into the desired order and save the PDF portfolio. So to add more files to an existing portfolio, you will need to open the PDF portfolio in Adobe Acrobat Pro and then just select edit PDF portfolio if necessary and add files and select the files or folders you want to include. Then just save the updates or the updated portfolio. You can even remove the files from there, so you can just press on delete or choose remove from the available options and then just click on save. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.